man, finally we got a tune on this thing. Sheesh. Bruh. Happening with you guys, we hopping live into this video from the M340. A G25. What the fuck? But to be honest, I think that's actually a real thing. Yeah, that shit straight up says G25. Imagine that shit has a DE. Besides that, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I am doing great. Finally, today is the day. You guys see the title, man. We're getting a tune on this thing. So we're gonna be doing a boot mod custom E50 tune on here, and we're gonna be doing the XHP trans tune. So it should be a totally different car when I get it back. And also the KW coilovers are gonna be going on. So I'm excited, man. Like, these are like two main things that I've been wanting for the car, so I'm pumped. So I am going to a shop over in the LA kind of area. They are called PQ Performance. You might have heard of them, might have not. If you haven't, now you have. First impression, they were just trying to full send the car. They were like, bro, let's do big turbo, this, meth, like everything. And I'm like, like, I don't know, man. I just got it. So like, I kind of want to take the steps, you know. It's like, what was he doing? Don't do drugs, guys. Please, kids, just don't do drugs, please. My boy looked like Superman about to take off. So yeah, PQ Performance. I talked to a few people that work with them, and they pretty much had like nothing but good things to say. I just wanted to start small, just go with the downpipe and tune. I know that's pretty much all these cars really need. You don't have to really do anything else. All right, I can't deal with y'all. After this thing's tuned, this is gonna be the fastest daily that I owned. Like, you can't really count my other cars as dailies because they weren't really like dailies. The daily drivers were, when I bought the side Nismo 350, that was daily. The Q50, the M2, the Evo was a daily when it was stock turbo. After the stock turbo, that shit turned into a race car, and that shit was always broken. Like, it was always broken. Like, I sold the car because it was always broken. It took me like a year just to get that thing to run without issues for a couple of days. And I was just like, you know what, it's time. I know, guys, I didn't tell you. You guys remember how I took this piece off because of the vibration? So that little bit of Velcro fixed it. It's good. Blast the music, accelerate hard, no vibration. So that was a solid fix. What else? I do have a steering wheel coming. It's ordered, but those do take a while, so hopefully it comes within like a month, 3 weeks, because I have to make it, obviously. I already have some like actual real carbon paddles, but I just didn't want to like take the wheel apart to put them on because I'm getting a new wheel anyways. Oh shit. Damn. Was that an S580 Maybach limo? My head hurts right now. I'm just trying to process what I just saw. So after the coils and tune is done, obviously when I get the car back, I'm gonna want to play with it for a few days. But I need to drop it off to my guys to get this thing paint corrected and detailed. It needs it bad, bruh. It looks like the car sat in the middle of the Dubai desert for like a month, and then someone just came with a towel and just did circular motions. Seems like you guys are messing with the B58 content, so I'll bring it to you. I'm curious to see how this trans tune is gonna go. I've seen quite a few good things about the XHP trans tune. Everybody says that it opens the trans up a lot, like versus stock. And it's not that bad stock. You can see at some points it's like a little laggy, and you know, I feel like it could have more. You know, apparently that's what the trans tune is for. Let's see how she does after the tune. Sheesh, what is that, Monte Carlo? I think. I don't really know my old cars like that. All right, we are getting close. I think they're right here on the corner somewhere. What are you doing, bro? I think I need to turn around. Damn. What the hell? And that's how people die, bro. Like, why are you going that fast to a red light? Yo, the plate on the Tesla, that shit says holy power. I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty funny. Boy got the koala bear wrap. Alright guys, get a good look at it. It's gonna be lower, finally. It's gonna sound better, look better, and feel better. So they're about to send the ECU off right now. Day 2. The day has come. The M340i is tuned and she's on the coils. I've seen pictures, I've seen a few videos. It's like a whole new car. Damn, look at her. That shit is dangerous, bro. The street, like, you're not paying attention, you can get smacked. God damn, I'm trying to film this car over here, but cars just keep coming and coming. This is something you don't see every day. The big body on the wheel? Damn. Yeah, look at this M3. It's pretty clean. It's a unique setup. Oh, it's cool. Hood looks clean, TEs. It's my style, I dig it. Got the R888 in the back. You guys ready to see the M340 though? Sheesh. Bruh. Bruh. You guys can't tell me that shit doesn't look fire. Fitted now. Front fitment is perfect. No rubbing. KW, so you know the shit rides good. This shit looks so good, bro. But the paint, like I told you, the calipers would look a lot better once it's slammed. Sheesh. Damn, bro, I can't stop looking at it. It looks so good, I'm over here forgetting that this thing's tuned now. My GoPro making this shit look like a long daddy right now. This shit looking like a 750. This setup is too hard. Sorry guys, I'm just really admiring this thing. It looks so good. Like the coils made such a big difference on this car. Sorry for the background music, I don't know what's going on. Sheesh. But yeah, we're about to get a test drive in a minute. So obviously I know you guys are probably wondering, alright, what kind of tune did you do? Who did you get tuned by? So over here at PQ Performance, they work with multiple tuners. The tuner that tuned this one is Kerry Jordan. You guys might be maybe familiar with him. Jordan Tune on Instagram. He's pretty decently well known in the tuning world for the B58s and BMWs. I've heard nothing but good things about his tune. We didn't max the car out. They asked me if I wanted to, but I told them keep it around like 80%. Still keep some room if I do want to turn it up. It's probably making anywhere between like 475 to like 510, somewhere in that range. We'll get it on the dyno and see what it puts down soon. They street tuned it, so we obviously don't know the true numbers. So yeah, man, we're gonna take it for a test drive, see how it feels. Damn, dog. I'm trying to find somewhere I can open it up a little bit, but so much traffic and little ass roads over here. But definitely right away I can feel the response is there, like a lot sooner. It's way more responsive. Coils feel good so far. And yeah, she's still actually pretty quiet. I thought it would be a little bit louder with the downpipe, but surprisingly it's still pretty quiet. It's probably because it's still on the stock exhaust, so it has all those resonators and shit. But my Valvetronic exhaust will be here in probably 2 weeks, so it'll definitely be loud at that point. much damn cars and shit.
"2,000 years later."
So we are running the XHP trans tune, and man, shifts like a DCT now. Not bad. Alright guys, we'll do a little pull here. Got a little bit of space. Not bad. She moves. It's still pretty warm outside, but she feels good. It's definitely a lot more torquey, for sure. It easily makes another 100 torque, like, for sure. I can guarantee that. It's really torquey now. Yes, sir. Finally, we got a tune on this thing. Finally, the coils are on it. Like, honestly, in person, this car looks so good on the coils. This thing's for sure a neck breaker now. It looks super clean. And they still have to settle, so far driving around town a little bit, they feel great. Honestly, it feels like OEM. Sick ass fool. The fitment is good. It doesn't really need spacers. I might be able to get away with like a 5 mil, but I don't really see a point in running a 5. Like, fitment's cool enough. So far around the city, there's absolutely no rubbing, so that's more of what I was worried about. We gotta sit in this damn shit. Traffic, bro. Now that we are on E50, we'll see how bad the gas got. This thing was super fuel efficient when it was stock. I guess we'll see how it does now. Right now, in comfort, between the coils and the downpipe and tune, this car is like, it feels OEM. Everything feels OEM right now. And so I'm pretty pleased. Like, that's kind of what I wanted out of the car. The shit is dope because it's like a stock car, and it's like you hit one button and then you have a tuned car. So it's pretty cool, man. So far the coils feel awesome. They're super smooth. This is actually my first set of KWs. I've never had KW coils. I've had adjustable springs, which were great, but this is the first time actually running coils from them. I mean, I've only been driving on them for about 15 minutes, but if I can give you guys a rough summary of how they feel great. Huge shout out to PQ Performance. I'll drop their ad right here. Please tell them I sent you if you guys want to check them out and get some work done. They got me in quick, bro. Got everything done quick. I dropped the car off Tuesday, basically stock, and it's now Thursday. They did a full coilover install, sent the ECU off, got it unlocked, street tuned the car, and it's now Thursday and the car's finished. So huge shout out to them. Appreciate it, guys. And last but not least, the tuner, Jordan Tune. Big shout out to him. Appreciate it. Car feels great so far. I've only done like one pull, but it's definitely a night and day difference. Like, even in hot weather, like right away I could tell like there's a huge difference. Well, he told me like the top of 3rd to 4th gear is pretty much where the car starts making its power. So, you know, my power gear is about 3rd and 4th, and I really didn't even get into 3rd and 4th. So we'll do that later on. There's less traffic, get some open road. I kind of just want to test out the coils. That's got a thumbs up right now. Already breaking necks, man. Should I give him some little blow off real quick? A little bit of sauce. She moves, man. She's really responsive. Super responsive. Gotta get a little show from my boys right here. Always makes my day, man. If you could put a smile on someone's face, bro, like, what else could you ask for? Oh, little M4. Let me get some open road. Oh, where you at? Where you at? I gotta exit. Oh, I got 1 mile. Damn, I don't think we can get it running with that. I don't think we got enough space, enough time. I'm supposed to get off on the next one. Any rubbing? Oh shit, which way? Redirect me, bitch. Okay, yeah, we're just gonna go this way. I'm about to go to IKEA real quick. What the hell are you looking at, my boy? Oh man, I can't wait to get some cooler weather so I can see how this thing really feels. He did tell me that like, yeah, we can turn it up, but oh my god. I make you turn. I make you turn. Must go find. I must go talk to owner. Tell him dream car. He did say I could turn it up some more. We'll make a little bit more power, but he did tell me, obviously, without meth, after a few pulls, this thing's definitely pulling timing. But I mean, it's gonna start cooling down soon, so. And of course, man. Took like a 2-hour break, tried to let traffic cool down, and there's still traffic. Like, I don't even have any room to like do a pull. This is ridiculous, man. But so far, the KWs, they feel great. Like honestly, I keep forgetting that this car's on coils. That's how good they feel. Like I keep forgetting that it's on coils. The thing is so responsive now. Like it just wants to go. The instant torque is crazy. Ah damn, man. 10,000 years later. Be back in the area now, finally. But yeah, man, I gotta say that the car drives awesome. Like, if I'm not punching it, I can't tell any difference from stock, which is pretty crazy. Definitely, if someone kept an M340i bone stock on the outside, just did downpipe tune with the stock exhaust, that's a sleeper. Not gonna lie, that's a sleeper. I barely posted on Instagram that I got a tune on this now, and bro, there's already like hella people trying to race. Like, y'all be just looking for any bit of little clout, man. Like, bro, this shit just has a downpipe. Like, why would I be out here trying to set up races with a fucking downpipe only car? A little second to fourth. Could be cooler. Still in the 80s, but it's cool. Okay. Not bad. She moves. Power band's super smooth. It didn't feel like the car was falling on his face at all. Like every gear pulled like harder. Not bad. The thing about like these newer cars, it's kind of hard to feel the speed because like they're so smooth. They never like feel unsafe, or like it's like you can't actually feel the speed of the car. I would say the car is making probably about 490, 495. It feels close to that range. Once again, shout out to the guys over at PQ Performance. Shout out to Jordan Tuned. So far so good, man. I have no complaints. I'm definitely gonna try to get you guys some content next week, like some flybys and like rolling shots and like all that good stuff. On that note, guys, I'm probably gonna end the video here. Definitely stay tuned. I got a lot more content coming. Don't forget to drop a thumbs up for your boy and subscribe to the channel. Like always, man, appreciate you guys for tuning in. Catch you in the next video.